Dancehall artist Bling Dawg today released his debut album Elevate. Last night, the DJ hosted a private listening event at Janga's Sound Bar in Kingston for industry players and stars like Bounty Killer, Popcorn, Chris Martin and Busy Signal. Bling Dawg shared with E-Prime his inspiration behind the album, which is aligned with his new holistic lifestyle.
It really inspired me to do this album, this growth, and it's a journey for me. And like I'm telling you, I always want to do a one-drop album. It's a challenge, and face a challenge and get it complete. And I love the organic love that I'm getting worldwide from this album. And from the album release, everybody congratulated me and say it's a good project, and I really appreciate that as well,
Elevate is available across all digital platforms and boasts 19 tracks with features from Popcorn, Remain Virgo, Morgan Heritage, Bounty Killer, Busy Signal, Chris Martin, among others. Bling Dawg also premiered an accompanying Elevate documentary showcasing various artists and producers who were a part of the production of the album. The documentary also features archival footage and exclusive interviews.
My contribution to the project is production. And I was very honored to be asked by Bling to produce because, of course, most of the time when you find other artists reach out to us, it would more so be for a collaboration. And a lot of people don't know that we do production because a lot of the music we put out for ourselves throughout the years, we produce it in-house between myself and my older brothers and the rest of the extended family who is here with us and things. So Bling reached out to me and not asked me to put my voice on a beat. But to produce something is a compliment that he doesn't even know how big that compliment. That is a bigger compliment than if he asked me for voice on the beat, personally.
Bling Dawg is known for hits like Ajibongs and Phone Call featuring Vibes Cartel, among other hits. Grammy-winning reggae artist Coffee has announced the release date for her upcoming debut album. Now, in a post on Instagram, Coffee shared the album's cover art and revealed that the project will drop March 25. Her second single from the project, Pull Up, is currently trending number 19 on YouTube following its release on Thursday and has gotten the thumbs up from music lovers. Gifted is her first full-length body of work since her Grammy Award-winning EP Rapture in 2019. Coffee is currently in the United States as she is scheduled to perform at this weekend's Cali Vibes Festival. Now, the Toast It Maker is also slated to take the stage at the upcoming Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival in April before kicking off her Gifted tour. Now, as Reggae Month celebrations continue, today saw the Reggae Conversation series featuring musical legend Jimmy Cliff. During his conversation, Jimmy Cliff shared his musical journey with reggae lovers who were locked into the virtual event. Reggae Conversation is part of the Reggae Month celebratory events. Tomorrow now, it's all about Fame Frequencies, Classic Eras, Rocksteady 80. The event is scheduled to start 9 p.m. and will feature DJs Colin Hines, DJ Denvo, and Tony McLean. Fame Frequency will also boast a special guest performance from Leroy Sibbles. Now, you're all invited to celebrate the legends with us and be a part of the special Reggae Month festivity. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E-Prime.